games begin! Freedom! World without the take back! And then I'm all to the track! The rule, the life that you and I do to the we must fight! And justice have no right! The justice we must fight! And justice have no right! Because this is the land of what we take blood! We can't avert the reckoning! A small group of national power! And I dictated, but never only has real influence. That is what we say, don't make friends. I'm not telling you to get married. But to me, there's got to be a better way. Vote for the right. And to have ourselves to choose for ourselves. And not be led around by the other shore. We must fight! And justice system have no rights! And justice system we must fight! And justice system have no rights! And justice system freedom around our Lord have! One which not can take away! No matter what it is they try! God, the flame of freedom burns deep down inside me! Come on! Let's go red time! Don't get fucking lazy! Don't get fucking lazy! My life! Garbage gospel, taking the woman for midnight painting. Our shit is not for me! All my life, people tell me what to say! Come out! This is my life, living my own way! I'm not gonna say fingers of a side, always standing behind me, ready to go down me! All my life, people tell me what to say! This is my life, living my own way! Yeah! Yeah! crowd, how you doing? Thank you all for hanging out, waiting for us to play. Thanks for sticking around tonight. Y'all have a good day today. So many fucking great bands that play today. Make some noise! You guys are fucking awesome. Well, now it's our turn. So are you ready? You're some lazy motherfuckers. Are you ready? Let's get fucking loud. Good looking out! Thinking back for what we had. One, two, come on, head, right, set in the main direction. All the one, where will you are denied? Run out loud, just look around, and you say, and the right before your eyes are here for you, and you for me say, come on, man, jump down, and you see, you pass in our way. Be there! Thinking back of what we shared! One more time that we had! One more time so good and bad! Going friendship, love, never end! You were there, do it all! Now it's our turn! United is all alone! Just look around and you say, and the right before your eyes up here for you, and you for me. You are man up. Jump. And you'll see. You fast. Always be there. Fuck it up. Let her down. Good looking out. Let's fucking move it out there. You got anything left? Let us celebrate like we don't give a fuck. The make back tonight so good on. Now my life is such a punishment. Some of the words are just an easy man. 50 miles of words on our back. Power, power, now we've been abused. Worked at poverty, Texas, lots of prison road. Power, power, judgment never change. Nowhere to will come from us. Good dirty way. Let's take the night off from mental strength. Let's take the night off. Let's go to bed. We should have cried ourselves away. Take a break, we need to maintain. Now we've been abused. Worked at poverty, Texas, lots of prison road. Power, power, just might never change. Nowhere to welcome from us. Good thirsty way, here we go. Miserating as riots caught. We'll save the world tomorrow. We'll have to wait until that day. We'll wait, but in the meantime, let's celebrate that we don't give a fuck. Let's celebrate that we don't care. Let's celebrate that we don't give a fuck. With the middle fingers high in the air. Let's celebrate that we don't give a fuck. Take the night up as a fuck. You wanna hear some old school shit? You wanna hear some old school shit? This one is called Red Pack! You want to be in a pack? Oh, God, got my back! Been doing this shit for love! Now you gotta fucking walk! I got my front, no reason, my side! I got my front, no reason, my side! See when on you start to run. Take your chance in one-on-one. I got my friend, glories on my side. I got my friend, glories on my side. Get your dancing shoes on. We gotta stand and fight. All this oppression. It's time to organize. We lost time for me. I'll stay like a diamond, here it comes. Get ready, I'll stay. A damn dreaming come undone. Poison my greed and power. Don't bend to power. Set yourself free. We gotta stand and fight. All this oppression. It's time to organize and get bound. Nobody conquering me. To hold the core. Freedom through unity. We got brought down. We got brought down. This is a New York hardcore breakdown. Open that fucking dance floor up and let's go. We gotta stand up. Stand up. Get proud. Stand up. Get proud. Who's gonna stand with me? Stand up. Who's gonna risk it all? Stand up. Bleed for freedom's sake. Stand up. Get proud. We're responsible. Stand up. We preserve the land. Fight for freedom's sake. Get proud. We gotta stand up. Stand up now. Get proud. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. Y'all having fun now? Y'all having fun with Sick of It All now? God damn. God damn. I got a question. How come the other stage don't have a barricade? Why is there a barricade here? Same people in here that was in there. Right? They discriminating against us. That's fucked up. Discrimination in 2017. That's right. That's right. Y'all ready? I gotta be honest with you, we ain't got no new album, we got nothing to push. We're here for the fucking fun of it. So let's have some fun. You wanna have some fun? You guys remember an album called Scratch the Surface? Let's see how well you know this shit. First song on Scratch the Surface. All my Like That views. This one is called No Cure. Come on! No cure! No end in sight! no cure. My point of view, no sense, no trace. We're all in something in the mouth, ignorant, ignorant. You think we were live, I now over and over. See mistakes as before, know it, know it. Look around the world, you suck. Too extensive, consequences. Too extensive, consequence. No cure, no end in sight. No cure. My point of view, hatred, hatred. The only thing in myself, unless, no regard, anyone else, sickness, sickness. Wait a great rules of life, no cure, no cure. Modern things come and kind. What does that is done? Too extensive. Everyone is known. Consequence. What does that is done? Too extensive. Everyone is known. Consequence. Consequences. Consequence. Come on, bring it out. Look deep inside, but the God to us, every God. We got to live a more righteous life. Can't take the world, but you can change yourself. Look deep inside, but the God to us, every God. We got to live a more righteous life. Can't change the world, but you can change yourself. The dance floor is all yours. Come on! Yeah! Yeah! This is an old school sing-along in the new style that serves as our protection. Love them, that Constitution. D-N-C. 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 I'll always be a threat to an unjust government. We should always be a threat to the highest power. Liberty and death. I live life as simple and try. Like eating in peace, but yo, Fuck yeah. Thank you guys for selling out Sounds of Revolution. Give yourselves a hand, make some noise! And thank you again for sticking around and hanging out with Sick of It All. And don't forget, right after us, the fucking Cro-Mags are playing. Everybody better get in there. You better be in there. But we got some shit left. You ready? Yeah. I ask this question every time we're here. I'm gonna ask it again tonight. You guys like it fast? Oh, that's not a lot of people. I'm saying, you guys like it old school circle pit fucking fast? Oh, yeah, now you're awake. Yeah. But this next one starts off mighty fucking fast. You like that? I know, you straight edge kids who like the kung fu fight. Don't worry. Shit gets heavy at the end. You like it heavy? Man, you guys are lame. I said, you like it heavy. I ain't talking you heard Hatebreed and formed a fucking band with tight black pants heavy. I'm talking old school Black Sabbath style fucking heavy. Are you with us? Then let's get down. Move that fucking shit nice and fast. Machete! Break that shit down! Turn every 100 years! Every 100 years! When the people are wicked, I'll return every 100 years! Every 100 years! When the people are wicked, I'll return every 100 years! Every 100 years, when the people wake and see my machete raise the problem. Machete, my machete, machete, my machete. Untouchables, untouchables, will make more kindness. Above the law no more, we're no longer under this spell. Let's pick this shit up. Don't be stuck up. Here they come, spewing hate, warning of a terrible fate. As the slave, your reflection quickly grabs your attention. Find a scapegoat in your fear, tell you what you wanna hear. Pick a target, ostracize and make them disobedient from the voice of the man. The mellow is flowing, voice of the sun. The power The black metal! That came from your tongue! Poison the mind of the ignorant! They soak it up like a sponge! Love's mark the scapegoat! We'll suffer the rain! With plenty seeds of anger red! The loves of revenge! Black metal! We'll sail on pain! And leave us drowning in the well of fear and pain! Klokgebouw! Klokgebouw! Goes out to wisdom in chains! Give it up for wisdom in chains! Let's see you get that circle pin going around those poles! Make it go all the way around! All the way around! Don't be shy! All the way! You're not listening! They're moving that way! Follow those guys! That's the way! Ladies and gentlemen, the vocal stylings of the one, the only, Mr. Craig. Got that shit moving! Suck! Take a way to the right! Put it in the fucking line! Come on, turn it out! Beyond this guy's head! Never down out of reach! Nothing doing a fucking team! All I wanna know is why! You're wrong, busted! Right down! Let's count it off! 1, 2, 3, 4! You can't pressure me! When will you see the walls that are closing in? Wanna take till you have it all. Can't trust it. You're busted it. Can't trust it. We're the one that's coming out! You're the one that's coming out! When you stop on the road! Let the right! Craig ahead!
Rest in peace, Ludo.
do this quick and do it right. Open that shit up. Open that shit up. Don't be shy. Don't be scared. Make some room. Make some room. Ladies and gentlemen, on this half of the room, from front to back and all the way up top, great side of the room. Make some noise. When the music starts, I need you to go that way. Can you do it? Ladies and gentlemen, on this half of the room, from front to back and up top, Pete's side of the room, make some noise. When the music starts, I need you to go that way. Can you do it? Greg's side, are you ready? Pete's side, are you ready? Is everybody ready? Shh. Look at these fucking morons. Skirts on surface! Come out! Here we go! Skirts on surface! Serve on purpose! Skirts on surface! Don't waste my time, son, empty line! Night after night! Oh, handful! Sun, show, sign! Sun, symbol, sheep! Until the great! New day is no! Billy, sketches! What is the most problem? Tell me who keeps their life from me to live. What is the most problem? Tell me who keeps life from me to be the witness. I need the best direction. Right the surface. Right the surface. Don't waste my time. Ow, mirrors high. Build your inside. That's maybe why they take so much time. Big body line, big lion eyes on the soul. Big dark side. What is the most God, the supervision? Tell me what keeps their mind from me to live. What is the most God, the supervision? Tell me what keeps their mind from me to be the witness. I need the best direction. Hey! One more time! Run the surface! Shine my purpose! Dress the surface! Don't waste my time! Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! Thank you so much! This is our last song! Your last chance to dance! We'll see you over at the Chromax! Step down! Get fucking loud! It's every life in there! Living doesn't mean a thing when it's up to night. Laying around the sea, it's a daily drive. There's back things where it should be. It should be. It should be. It should be. Right? Right, what you got? Hey, 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 hey. to face the road. For face the road. It's a fucking fashion show. Your compromise. Have them sell the soul. On the negative. How useless if you win. On the emptiness. All violent detriment. No. Please, I'm on again. Fashion and live again. Please, I'm on again. Fashion and live again. Caught up in a trap, a million crap, destroy the land. Caught up in a trap, a million crap, so little to give. Caught up in a trap, a million crap, destroy the land. Caught up in a trap, a million crap, so little to give. Dirty lines from death. Living doesn't mean a thing. We're gonna do work. It's not everybody. Let's go again. We're gonna force them to step down. Step down. Step down. Sons of revolution. Thank you, everyone! Thank you so much! We're fucking sick of it all! Take care of each other! Have a fun time at the Klokgebouw tonight!